Pretty solid doubles from our side, like pretty tight, and just keep the momentum going from starts. So it's pretty, I'm just happy to pull out the win because I made it to the finals last week, so I'm happy to get the win.
I mean, I think we played a solid match. I mean, it's probably our weakest performance of the tournament so far, but I mean, we went on a good run. The guys we played today made it difficult for us, clean striking the ball, putting us under a lot of pressure, and yeah, I mean, just today wasn't our day really.
Your thoughts?
Yeah, I think we didn't adjust well enough to what they were doing. The last few days we've been pretty good at sort of improvising, during the match and stuff. And today, a few silly errors here and there that sort of gave them the break, and then yeah, it kind of just slipped away a little bit. But we kind of were getting into it a bit into the second set, but a bit late.